Hello, good day friends. In this question, we are to calculate the area of X. That is this triangle here. We have the area of this triangle to be 24 meters squared. This side, this and this side are equal in length. Similarly, this and this side are also congruent. This angle is 60 degrees in size. And to mention, this shape is a square shaped quadrilateral. So how can we solve this? Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also tell us your thought in the comment section. Now coming back to our question, we are going to start from this triangle here. We mentioned that this side and this side are equal. Let's assume their length to be S, and if they are S, we know this side and this side must also be S in length. Now this angle we know is a right angle because it is the angle of a square ABCD. That implies that this is an isosceles right angle triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem, which states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides to find the length of this side. It is the hypotenuse because it is the side facing the right angle in the triangle. So based on the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal to S squared plus S squared. S squared plus S squared is 2S squared. So hypotenuse squared equal to 2S squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root of hypotenuse squared is hypotenuse, and here square root of 2S squared is S root 2. So hypotenuse equal to S root 2. That is the length of this side in terms of S is S root 2. Now recall, this side, this and this side are equal in length. So since this is S root 2, this and this must also be S root 2 in length. Now we still come back to this triangle here. Draw its median. Since it is an isosceles right angle triangle, its median is going to bisect this angle and this side here, which is the base. It will also be at right angle with the base. So therefore, this angle and this angle are half 90 degrees, which is 45 degrees. This angle is a right angle, and this side are half S root 2. Now from this triangle, since all its sides are equal in length, it is an equilateral triangle. If we draw its median to the vertex here, it is going to bisect this side, and this line here already bisected it. That is, if we extend this line, since it is at right angle with the base, it will also be the median of this triangle. The angles of an equilateral triangles are 60 degrees each, so this and this are 60 degrees. But this and this will both be half 60 degrees, that is 30 degrees. Now recall, this triangle is an isosceles right angle triangle, and since it is an isosceles right angle triangle, this angle and this angle must be 45 degrees. Now if you look, this triangle is also an isosceles triangle because this and this angles are 45 degrees each. So since this is half S root 2, this must also be half S root 2. From this triangle here, since it is a right angle triangle, we can use a SOHCAHTOA. Taking this as theta, this is opposite and this is the hypotenuse. From here, sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is 60 degrees, hypotenuse is S root 2. So sin 60 degrees equal to opposite over S root 2. Multiplying both sides by S root 2, here S root 2 cancels S root 2, and here sin 60 degrees times S root 2, if you do the simplification, will give you 1 over 2 S root 6. So opposite equal to 1 over 2 S root 6. That is, this side here is 1 over 2 S root 6. Now from this square ABCD, since this side is S and S, this must be S plus S, which is 2S, because all the sides of a square are equal in length. If we concentrate on this triangle ACD, we can use the Pythagoras rule on it. This side AC is the hypotenuse. So based on the Pythagoras theorem, line AC squared equal to line AD squared plus line CD squared. But line AD is S plus S, which is 2S, and line CD is 2S. 2S all squared is 4S squared. 4S squared plus 4S squared is 8S squared. So line AC squared equal to 8S squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root of line AC squared is line AC, and here square root of 8s squared is square root of 8 times square root of s squared. Square root of s squared is s, and since 8 is the same as 4 times 2, square root of 4 times 2 will be square root of 4 times square root of 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times root 2 times s is 2s root 2. So line AC equal to 2s root 2. Now since the whole length of line AC is 2s root 2, and we have this part to be 1 over 2s root 2, while this is 1 over 2s root 6, this must be 2s root 2 minus 1 over 2s root 2 minus 1 over 2s root 6. And if you simplify this using your calculator, it's going to give you an approximate value of 0.8966s. That is, this side is 0.8966s in length. From this triangle also, this is the hypotenuse. So if you use the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal to s squared plus 2s squared. 2s all squared is 4s squared. S squared plus 4s squared is 5s squared. So hypotenuse squared equal to 5s squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root of hypotenuse squared is hypotenuse, and here square root of 5s squared is s root 5. That is, this side here is s root 5. Recall, the area of this triangle is 24 meters squared. So if we use the Heron's formula, we state that if the length of the side of a triangle are A, B, and C, its area is going to be square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s equal to a plus b plus c all over 2. Taking this side as a, this as b, and this as c, a equal to s root 2, b equal to s root 5, and c equal to 0.8966s. Substituting here, capital S equal to s root 2 plus s root 5 plus 0.8966s all over 2. S root 2 plus s root 5 plus 0.8966s all over 2 is 2.2734s. So capital S equal to 2.2734s. Substituting all the values here, 24 meters squared equal to square root of 2.2734s times 2.2734s minus s root 2 times 2.2734s minus s root 5 times 2.2734s minus 0.8966s. And if you simplify this, it will be 0.3169s squared. So 24 meters squared equal to 0.3169s squared. Dividing both sides by 0.3169, here 0.3169 cancels 0.3169, and here 24 meters squared over 0.3169 is 75.7337 meters squared. So 75.7337 meters squared equal to s squared. That is, s squared equal to 75.7337 meters squared. We keep that aside. Now if we come here, we can see this 45 degrees angle, this 60 degrees, this 60 degrees, and this angle are lying on the same straight line AB. The angle on the straight line we know is 180 degrees. So since this is 45 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees, this must be 180 degrees minus 45 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 15 degrees. Now from this triangle, we can use the SOHCAHTOA tool to relate this side and this side here. Let's say P. From this angle, this is adjacent and this is the hypotenuse. Now from here, cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, theta is 15 degrees, hypotenuse is P, and adjacent is S. So cos 15 degrees equal to S over P. Taking the reciprocal of both sides, it will be 1 divided by cos 15 degrees equal to 1 divided by S over P. 1 divided by cos 15 degrees is 1 over cos 15 degrees, and here 1 divided by S over P is 1 times P over S, which is P over S. So 1 over cos 15 degrees equal to P over S. 1 over cos 15 degrees, if you press your calculator, is 1.0353. So 1.0353 equal to P over S. Multiplying both sides by S, here S cancels S, and here 1.0353 times S is 1.0353S. So 1.0353S equal to P. That is, this side in terms of S is 1.0353S in length. Now, one of the formulas for calculating the area of a triangle is half the product of the length of two of its sides multiplied by the angle between them. So to find the area of this triangle X, we multiply 1/2 by the product of this and this side here times the sine of this angle. So therefore X equal to 1/2 times S root 2 times 1.0353S times sine 60 degrees, and 1/2 times S root 2 times 1.0353S is 0.634S squared. And recall here we calculated S squared to be 75.7337 meters squared. So if you substitute here X equal to 0.634 open bracket 75.7337 meters squared, 0.34 open bracket 75.7337 meters squared, if you press your calculator, is 48.0151658 meters squared, which is approximately 48 meters squared. So area of X which you are asked to calculate is approximately 48 meters squared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.